everybody, Josh with Alpha Day Trading, and today we're going to talk about the level 2 with TD Ameritrade. A lot of level 2s look a lot different, but for some reason TD is really funky as a new trader, man. I can't tell you how long it took me to understand the green, the red, this and that, compared to other level 2s where they were color-coded in red, green, yellow, all these things. So we're going to talk a little about the level 2, what it means, and why I like it compared to other level 2s as well now. It's actually very, very useful. Let's go ahead and drag over a level 2. And this is going to be on TWO. Again, if you see other level 2s, if you use E-Trade or what's the other one, Schwab, every level 2 is going to look a lot different, but they tend to use color-coded for stacking. So you see all these 412s here. On other brokers, other platforms, those would be color-coded in yellow. There's a lot of 405s in green. If there's a lot of 4s, it'd be in like red. So they color code these. TD Ameritrade, however, is red and green, and it flashes all over the place, and some people don't understand what this means. So just like any other level 2, you got your bid, you got your ask, you have your bid size, and you have your ask size. So this is the amount of shares, and this is the price at which people are looking to buy, the price at which they're looking to sell. EX is exchange, and you can see which exchange these are coming from. Again, this is very irrelevant. The bid and the bid size, the ask and the ask size is the most important. Now, with TD Ameritrade as well, compared to other brokers, you have to add 2 zeros to the end of the bid size. So this is not 10 shares. This is not 2 shares. You add 2 zeros. So that is 1,400 shares. That is 900. That is 900, 100, 200. So you have to add 2 zeros to the back of the number that you see to give you an actual understanding of how many shares it is. When I first started trading, I thought 1 share? Really? 1 share? That seems really low. It was 100 shares, 600 shares, so on and so forth. Okay? Now let's talk about the green and the red. So whenever it's green on the bid or the ask, that shows that the last price is higher. I'm sorry, that the new price is higher than the last price. So if we see 416 to 417, it's green, right? 416 to 417 to 418, it's going to go green. When the bid drops from the last price, so from 416 to 414 to 412, it's going to show red. So that's what the green and the red indicates. Based on the last order that went through, based on the bid, if it's less, it's going to display in red. Same thing with the bid size. So if that goes from 300 to 200, it's going to still be red. But if it goes from 300 to 600 to 700 like we just did, it's going to show green. So that just shows you there's an increase in the bid price or an increase in the bid share size when it's green. When it's red, it shows you that there's been a decrease from the last bid that was displayed from the price. And then same thing with the bid size. If you go from 700 to 600, you saw that live, to 500, it's going to go red. Same exact thing with the ask. So again, in high volatile stocks, highly volatile and liquid stocks, momentum stocks, penny stocks, it's a good indicator to have that, because if you see green, 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 that's telling you that people are stepping up to the plate in regards to wanting to pay more, and they're increasing the amount of shares they want to purchase as well. That helps identify momentum as well with any other indicators that you use. So that's why I like TD. Once I understood it, is especially when we're breaking out, we want to see green across the board. People buying more at a higher price, buying more shares. And same thing with the ask. We want to see people asking more at higher share sizes, because that shows interest that we can continue to push. However, if we approach an area of breakout and we think it's a momentum trade or a breakout trade, but we have more red on the bid size and the bid amount, that doesn't show that we have more people stepping up to the plate. That shows us that people are getting weak, right? We have less buyers, less size, lower amounts. That's going to show some weakness. So if we see this flashing crazy green, we know there's big interest. If we see it flashing crazy red, it means people are easing up based on the last person that stepped up to the plate. So that's why I like TD Ameritrade's level 2. I think it's very, very useful and very helpful. I hope you guys enjoyed this little quick tip and trick lesson on TD's level 2 and what the red and green means, because I didn't know for 4 years, and now that I understand it, again, it's very, very useful, guys. So, again, hope you guys enjoyed the lesson. If you have any suggestions on any other tips and tricks you want for TD Ameritrade, post them in the comments below. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs down. I'll be more than happy to answer any questions, do any videos you guys want. And, yeah, we'll see you guys in the next tip and trick lesson with TD Ameritrade, guys. Have a good one.